Flair channel warmly welcome to you. I am a civil engineer and I have the experience in how to take an estimate and rate analysis and also experience in site execution activities. That's all. I have the experience almost reached 10 years. Okay, then what is an estimation? Estimation is a calculation of the quantities of various items of the works. That is estimation. Okay. Here example that activities is excavation. Four numbers means four numbers of footings, and each numbers of footing 2 meter length and 2 meter width and 1.5 meter depth, total 24 cubic meter. Another activities and polythene sheet PCC up to have to taken this structure up to suspended ceiling. Detailed estimation I have to given another video. This is for only introduction of the estimation. Then we have to start that rate analysis. This is for rate analysis. What is a rate analysis? Rate analysis is a determination of rate per unit of particular item of works from the cost of quantity of labor's cost and plant and equipment cost and material cost and other miscellaneous cost and subcontracted costs required for its completion, known as analysis of rates. Detailed rate analysis I have to add next video. This is for only introduction. Next, execution of the works. It is a ultimate responsible for all construction of the projects and make sure this are completion as per the design and specifications. You can watch the next video that what it is, detailed estimation of various items and rate analysis and execution of the works. Subscribe it, you will be get the message when I post the next video. Thank you.